I'm extremely serious. Manifest anything you want. Press your third eye for 30 seconds. Just 30 seconds. This is extremely powerful. It's based on the law of attraction. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we are always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers, want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. Find out what a mentoring program can mean for your life. lawofattractionsolutions.com. Today's video is extremely simple, yet it is extremely powerful. You're going to want to watch it probably more than once so that you get all the fine details down and you're able to apply this immediately. Practice this simple technique for one lunar cycle, 28 days, to unlock unbelievable, and I do mean unbelievable, manifesting power within you. So what is it you want to manifest? Healing? Manifest a deep, loving relationship? Maybe you want to manifest some abundance or joy, more happiness. Perhaps you want to manifest money. How about a career, more success? Manifest a new home, a new car. Manifest a dream vacation. It's all yours, and it's easy to manifest using this technique. So high flyers, this simple method of unlocking your manifesting power through your third eye is based on shamanic tapping and release. Shamanic tapping and release is similar to EFT. It's based on the same principle, but we never tap negative energy in. There's some other differences as well. Law of vibration, that's huge because everything in the universe vibrates, including you. Law of attraction, and of course, creative visualization. Everything in the universe, including you, is energy and frequency. Control and direct the vibration and frequency, and you can manifest whatever you want, and you can manifest it easily. It's extremely powerful. If you want to find the secret to the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. That's from Nikola Tesla. High flyers, your entire body is energy, vibration, and frequency. You are more than just a physical 3D body. You are an energy field, or what I like to call a manifesting vortex. High flyers, here's a simplistic diagram from our book, Magical Energy Healing, the Ruach healing method that Rachael and I wrote. And you can get it on Amazon. Anyway, look at the diagram. You see, you're more than just an energy field. You have emanations, what some people would call energy emanations or light emanations, or others would call it ganglia in the Pranic method of healing. It emanates from your energy field, and it's really how you connect with the rest of reality. It's really how you feel. Like if you've ever been in a room and somebody walked in or somebody was hiding in there and you just knew it. You could feel their energy. That's your energy rays touching theirs. So high flyers, if you focus your intention, that's your desire. If you focus it through your mind, through your body, and through your energy field, and it's clear through your mind, clear through your body, clear through your energy field, you have a massively powerful way of manifesting, and you literally can't be stopped. So the first thing, high flyers, is your thoughts. Thoughts combined with clear intentions. In other words, you know exactly what you desire to manifest. You can see it in your mind. You can feel it in your body. Your energy field vibrates it. But your thoughts, they provide the energy to the infinite field of unlimited potential, what others would call the quantum field. However, it does not turn whatever it is you desire into 3D manifestation when you have counter intentions. That's another intention that you're focusing, going in the opposite direction of whatever it is you desire. You have blocks, and you can have these blocks in your subconscious mind. You can have blocks in your body. You can have blocks in your energy field and or your manifesting vortex. These blocks, this sluggish energy, it's like kinking a hose, okay? Have you ever kinked a hose when the water was running through? The water stops. That's what a block is. It stops the flow of your intention into physical reality. So what's happening when you're manifesting, high flyers, is you're sending out the thought, the intention, and you are drawing back whatever you desire through your feelings. Remember, Neville talks about emotionalizing whatever it is you desire. You have to feel it. We don't just say affirmations, we feel affirmations. Now, high flyers, this method can help you override blocks. I do want to mention at this point that if you have some very strong blocks and you've had them for years and they cause you discomfort, emotional, physical, psychological, they cause you discomfort in your energy field and they stop you from getting what you want, I'd like to personally invite you to manifest your perfect destiny in Sedona, Arizona, coming up on November 11th through the 13th. Get the details at the website and come join me. Okay, let's get into the actual steps because this will help you override most blocks, send out a clear and concise ray of intention, and get what you want. Okay, that's what it's about. See what you desire manifest in the 3D world. So, high flyers, it's absolutely essential that you have clear and concise intention. We're going to focus on one intention at a time. Not that you can't manifest several things, but this method works best when you focus one intention with it for 28 days. You want to be able to see clearly the wish fulfilled. What does it look like? What does it feel like? What does it make you feel to see that wish fulfilled in your mind? I believe, high flyers, that if you see it clearly in your mind, every detail, if you see it clearly in your mind, soon you will be living it in your life. So now you have a clear picture of whatever it is that you desire. High flyers, while you are visualizing this clear picture of your desire in your mind, take your right hand and your middle finger. And the reason we use the middle finger is the ancients attributed the middle finger to the element of earth. This was spirit, and then, of course, water, air, and fire. But the middle finger was earth, and it represented, or it was a culmination, if you will, of all the other elements. So we use the middle finger. We tap here right on the third eye. And of course, your eyes are closed. You're visualizing clearly. And I don't want you to time this, but tap it for 10, 15 seconds. See it clearly. Keep your eyes closed. Tap the palm of your left hand and begin tapping with your left hand. It's important, high flyers, that we have both masculine and feminine energy working in perfect harmony. The Emerald Tablet of Hermes states, as above, so below. As within, so without. So it's important to have that sense of harmony. So let's review exactly where we're at and go to the next step. So first, you close your eyes. You begin visualizing clearly whatever it is you desire, and then tap with your right hand, middle finger, and then tap your palm a few times on the left hand and begin tapping with the left hand. middle finger. Now that you see, bring your hands together. Now that you see clearly what you desire and you can feel it, oftentimes you'll see some purple or greenish colors around your third eye. Whatever you see, that's fine. But just bring your hands together, breathing deep in through the nose and slowly out through the mouth. And this is important. You don't need to time it, but you want to breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth after you've done the tapping. You've brought your hands together, and now you're going to rub your hands like so. I like rubbing them in a circular fashion. And you're going to feel them warm up. And then slowly, you're going to bring your hands away. You're going to feel the energy in between your hands. You can literally push on it. And then you pull your hands a little farther out. And I literally turn my hands and form a ball of energy. And I bend, you notice I'm bending my fingers. And I can literally push and feel that energy. What is that energy? That energy is my intention. That energy represents my intention in vibration and energy. Sometimes I'll stretch it out, push it back, and then closing my eyes again, taking one deep breath in through my nose and out through my mouth. I send it off into the infinite field of unlimited potential, the quantum field. And then I bring my hands together, left first, right on top, over my heart. And I see it. I feel it. I experience it. My manifestation is present. It is now. It is alive. It is real. And then I like to always end with a moment of gratitude. I'm grateful that the love that I desire is already in my life. I'm grateful for that the new home that I desire is already present in my life. You're done. That's it. Okay? Simple enough. It's a simple method. It works. Do it for 28 days. Okay? Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.